This week on Amazing Indians, we bring you 4 exceptional stories from across India. Stories of perseverance, kindness, grit and selflessness. We bring you the story of young minds from IIT Delhi behind Project Aanch, who are on a mission to provide smokeless cooking to rural women. New Life is an organization that gives a new lease of life to juvenile delinquents and children of parents in conflict with the law. The story of Divya Jyoti Charitable Trust, a unique trust that provides skill training to the visually impaired in order to promote independence, dignity and improve their quality of life. And meet Sanjeev Said, an environmental crusader on a mission to stop pollution and turn flower waste into organic fertilizers. About 1 million women die of smoke every year. From time immemorial, rural households have been using the traditional stoves made out of sand. These stoves use firewood and provide very poor fuel efficiency, releasing lots of smoke. And the adverse effects of this smoke on women's health gave birth to an idea. A cause that united these bright young minds from IIT Delhi. Project Aanch was launched, which was aimed at replacing the traditional stoves with one that reduces the health and environmental hazards.
Most of the people, I can tell you, it was their passion to help people to create some change. Worldwide, 5 million people die every year because of the indoor air pollution. So that is something, which we thought we can make some difference there. So that was one of the biggest reason we explored this idea more and took it from the idea phase to reality.
The children and the women were sitting while cooking there, and they were really exposed to these toxic fumes for long periods of time. And they even did not realize the kind of impacts it was having on their health and even on their financial conditions because of the medical expenditure invoked because of these reasons. So what we set out was to eliminate the traditional stoves and replace them with a modern design which is able to somehow eliminate this smoke from their lives and therefore make cooking something that doesn't harm their health.
The project, led by Arpit Khandelwal, has an 11-member team that visits this community in Bhatti mines in the outskirts of Delhi every week to tell people about the benefits of their new invention and then install them in various households.
We actually adapted it a little to the Indian environment. Like, we modified the chimney a little, made it in such a way that the cost comes down. And so this new design modifies the air draft in such a way that the person who's cooking is not exposed to the smoke at all. Also, this new design eliminates the amount of firewood used to a large extent. So that means that roughly you can say the amount of firewood used comes down to by half or even at least 2/3, even in the worst circumstances. What's more, the cooking time is reduced.
It is a modular cement chula which requires a mold for the preparation of individual parts, and the process of production is known as casting. The cement mixture is set into different molds which is then immersed in water to make it stronger. The parts are then put together in such a way that the heat is distributed evenly, resulting in efficient cooking, producing less smoke.
इसमें बर्तन काले नहीं होते और धुआं भी नहीं लगता है आंखों पे और ईंधन भी कम फूकता है और खाना अच्छा बनता है। बच्चे जब मैं खाना बनाती थी पास बैठते थे तो आंखों पर धुआं लगता था, अब धुआं बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगता और खाना भी अच्छा बनता है।
But the highlight of the business model is to empower women in the community and train them to manufacture and install these smokeless stoves. These women, as social entrepreneurs, generate a profit of 400 rupees for 8 hours of work, which is nearly double of their original earnings.
So When we set out to create Aach, when we were working down the basics of the project and doing the market survey and everything, it was in our mind from the beginning that we have to incorporate the women themselves in the project, because if women themselves are the entrepreneurs, they are the ones who understand the primary stakeholders the best. They are the ones who will be able to run the business in the best way.
They are talking to different people. They are coming from different village to this village to install chula, and you know they also helped us in marketing the chula. You know, talking to different people from the village.
से हमारे बच्चे पढ़ने भी जाते हैं, अपने बच्चों को भी घर भेजते हैं, स्कूल भेजते हैं, उसके बाद अपना घर का काम भी करते हैं और अपने जो चूल्हे भी स्टोन करते हैं, बनाते भी हैं खुद हम घर में। कहीं भी लगाना होता है हम चले जाते हैं, स्टोन कर लेते हैं चूल्हा।
The stove cuts down exposure to particulate matter emissions by 48% and carbon monoxide by 45%. An idea that started as project work has now turned into a passion for these students, aiming to make cooking healthier and simpler for rural women.